please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today's recipe is street style gobi manchurian or cabbage manchurian. So let's get started. Firstly, I have taken very finely chopped cabbage. I have washed it 2 times. And next I'll be adding 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of chili powder and giving it a nice mix. As I mentioned, I am not using corn flour. Instead, I am going for all-purpose flour or maida and rice flour. I have added 3/4 cup of maida and half a cup of rice flour. I'm not adding the water to mix the mixture here because cabbage already has enough moisture in it to bind the mixture. You can see after 15 minutes the cabbage has gained the moisture to bind the mixture. I have sprinkled 1 tablespoon of water to bind it even more better and adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. You can see the mixture has binded even more better than the previous one. Now allow this mixture to rest it for 5 more minutes. On the other side I have heated up oil and I'll be frying the gobi mixture in the medium flame. Fry the gobi until it turns golden brown in color. The gobi should be crispy from outside and soft from inside. I'll be frying rest of the gobi mixture in the same manner. Now let's prepare ginger garlic paste. To make ginger garlic paste, I have taken 6 to 7 petals of garlic and small medium sized ginger. Now let's make slurry. To make slurry, I have taken 1 tablespoon of maida and half tablespoon of rice flour and add water and give it a nice mix. Now in a pan, heat up to 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 big finely chopped onion. Fry this until it's translucent. Now add the bell peppers and fry these veggies with a pinch of salt. After the veggies are half cooked, add the ginger garlic paste which we had prepared. Now add the slurry we had prepared, chili powder of 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Add half cup of water and cook this mixture well. After this starts boiling, I am adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. It's optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Now I'm adding the fried gobis and giving it a nice mix. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ketchup at the last with a pinch of salt and mix it well. Your evening snack or your starter for the dinner is ready to be served hot. Please do try this recipe and review this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.